Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. Welcome back to your EVS class. Today date is 17 December 2020 and I am teaching you chapter number 20. And name of the chapter is Unity in Diversity. Unity in Diversity. So, student, all of you open page number 107. So, student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in our previous video. So, student, we know that India is a very big country and it is divided into different regions. Our country is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. So, lot of diversity is in our country, that is India, because people belonging to different religions are living in our country. There is no other country in the world where you will find so much difference, or you can say diversity. Even if you go in different states of the country, you will see there is lot of difference in the culture of the peoples, even their habits of eatings also change, and types of clothes the people wear, that is you will find change in that also. But if there is so much diversity, then what is the thing which bind all the people together? That is our national symbols, because these national symbols stands for our country India. When we see these symbols, we know that they represent India. So, the national flag, national anthem and the national emblem are our main symbols. Then we are national anthem. So national anthem, national flag, national emblem. So national anthem, national flag and national emblem, these are our main symbols which bind all the people of the country together. These are the symbols which bind all people of the country together. Now student, it is given what is the emblem for your school. So you will see there is a monogram which you wear on the shirt. आपकी शर्ट है, and in winter season you wear blazer, तो वहां भी आपके स्कूल का एक मोनोग्राम लगा हुआ है. And that monogram you will see in your school diary also. It is written in that monogram, truth is. So that is the symbol of our, a monogram of our army public school. In the same manner, there are different monogram of all the schools. Now after that we started with the national flag. So student, here we have to study all these things, that is the national flag, national anthem and national emblem. So we started with national flag. So when we see the national flag of our country, then what we find? National flag of the national flag is the symbol of freedom and unity. So by seeing the flag, we can say now our country get the freedom, and this flag is the symbol of freedom of our country, that is India, and unity among the peoples living in different religion, different regions of the country. So this we have already studied in previous videos also, so I am doing a quick recapitulation of national flag and then national anthem, and after that we will continue with national emblem. So student, when we see the national flag of our country, so the shape of our national flag is rectangular shape. What is the shape? Shape of the national flag is rectangular and it is tricolor. Okay, with deep saffron at the top, white in the middle and green in the bottom. Saffron color is also known as Kesariya in Hindi, and there is a very good song on this. On national flag of our India. White color and your saffron color, it stands for sacrifice. Many people gave up their life for our country, India. India is our motherland, and white color, it stands for the peace, and green color, it stands for the prosperity of India. So saffron color, it stands for the जिसको आप लोग हिंदी में केसरिया बोलते हैं, बलिदान का प्रतीक है। हम अपने देश के लिए कुर्बान भी हो सकते हैं, अपनी मातृभूमि के लिए हम अपने प्राण भी न्यौछावर कर सकते हैं। इज इट क्लियर? एंड व्हाइट कलर पीस, शांति का प्रतीक है। ओके, एंड ग्रीन इज फॉर द प्रॉस्पेरिटी, मीन्स खुशहाली का। किसके खुशहाली का? देश के खुशहाली का प्रतीक है। ओके, आफ्टर दैट in the middle, that band which is of a white color, you will see navy blue chakra also. This has been taken from the Ashoka pillar and is a symbol of dharma. So after that I explained you that there are some also rules which we have to follow when we hoist the national flag. The saffron color is always at the top and green color is at the bottom. Okay, no other flag can be placed above our national flag. So no other flag can be placed over our national flag and above our national flag. And when we brought down the flag, so we brought down at sunset, folded and then put away properly. डेली फ्लैग जब सनसेट का समय होता है बेटा, तो फ्लैग को हम नीचे उतार लेते हैं और इसे फोल्ड करते हैं एंड देन वी केप्ट इट प्रॉपरली. ओके, देन वी डिस्कस अबाउट सम, that is our national anthem. So our national anthem Jan Gan Man. So our national anthem was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Our national anthem was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Song has 5 stanzas, but the first one was choose to be our national anthem. So Our national anthem is also a symbol of unity. We sing our national anthem on important occasions like Independence Day, Republic Day. But student, the time when we are in the schools, when we are studying in the school, so every day we sing a national anthem. Every day we sing a national anthem because our school day is the time when we learn how to give respect to the national symbols of our country. And another important thing is that when we sing a national anthem, we must stand at attention whenever the anthem is being sung. जब भी नेशनल एंथम गाई जाती है बेटा, तो वी ऑल आर स्टैंडिंग इन द अटेंशन पोजीशन. हम किस पोजीशन में स्टैंड करते हैं? अटेंशन पोजीशन में, व्हेन नेशनल एंथम इज sung. So this all about national anthem. Now national national emblem. So when you look at a rupee, what do you notice? So whenever we see the currency of our country or the coins, so the symbol with lions, you will observe. Okay, तो well this is our national emblem. यही क्या है? हमारा national emblem है. ठीक है, यही हमारा क्या है? सिंबल है. ठीक है, and this symbol, note down, symbol with okay, and this is our symbol with the lions. This is our national emblem. Okay, and where we find this national symbol? We find all currency notes, coins and papers of the of the government. Okay. So in yesterday I showed you on the rupees also, currency note. It is shown. It is not in all the notes, currency notes. See, you will see this national emblem symbols in all the currency notes. See, yesterday I show you 100 rupees note. Today this is 10 rupees note. And you will see, आप देखो, where is my finger, ये देखो national symbols, you are able to see this. ठीक है, आप देखिए, इसमें देखिए, you are able to see this symbol. यहां आपको सिंबल विजुअल हो रहा है. See, this is a symbol. See, this is our national emblem. This is a symbol of our country. And this symbol we will see in all the currency notes, coins and papers of the government. जो भी गवर्नमेंट पेपर होते हैं, ठीक है, जो कोर्ट्स में बनते हैं, ठीक है, जो भी इंडिया गवर्नमेंट के जितने भी पेपर्स होंगे, तो वो उस पे आपको ये सिंबल देखने को मिलेगा. इज इट क्लियर? यू विल सी दिस सिंबल. ओके. एंड एक्चुअली सत्यमेव जयते. सी, in a book, very clear picture of national emblem is given, this, and it is also written here in देवनागरी स्क्रिप्ट. हिंदी जो बोलते हैं हम लोग, देवनागरी स्क्रिप्ट में, भाषा में लिखा गया है. देखो, सत्यमेव जयते. इसका मतलब हुआ हरदम सच्चाई की ही जीत होती है. जीत किसकी होती है बेटा? हमेशा सच्चाई की. ठीक है. सो यू विल सी दिस सिंबल इन ऑल करेंसी नोट्स, coins and papers of the government. Now student, and it is the official seal of the government. और जैसे देखो बेटा, आप लोग स्कूल में पढ़ते होगे, आपका जब रिजल्ट होता होगा, तो रिजल्ट में आपके क्लास टीचर का साइन होता होगा, आपके पेरेंट्स का साइन होता होगा, प्रिंसिपल मैम का साइन होता होगा, और एक स्कूल की ऑफिशियल सील होती होगी जिसमें लिखा होता होगा आर्मी पब्लिक स्कूल. ठीक है, ऐसे ही होता है ना. इन द सेम मैनर दिस इज, इट इज द ऑफिशियल सील ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. हमारी कंट्री की ये जो नेशनल एम्ब्लम जिसमें सत्यमेव जयते आपको मैंने लिख के दिखाया, दिस इज द ऑफिशियल सील ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. हमारी कंट्री की जो सील है, जो गवर्नमेंट पेपर्स पे लगती है, यही सील होती है. दैट इज द सील. It is the official seal of the, it is the official seal of the government. Official seal of the government. And now the question arises, from where we have taken this. हमने ये symbols कहां से लिया है? यू आर लिविंग इन विच सिटी? दैट इज नोन एज Varanasi. And in Varanasi there is a place known as Sarnath. Okay, so it was taken from the Sarnath capital erected by Ashoka. सम्राट अशोक थे पास्ट टाइम में, हिस्ट्री में. Okay, so it was taken from the Sarnath lion capital erected by Ashoka, and it is the official site Georgia. It was taken from the Sarnath. Okay, so from where it was taken? It was taken from the Sarnath lion capital erected by King Ashoka. So, and when it was adopted as a national emblem of our country India. ठीक है, मतलब इसे कब हमने अडॉप्ट किया कि ये हमारी कंट्री का नेशनल एम्बलम रहेगा? सो इट वाज अडॉप्टेड ऑन 26 जनवरी 1950. The India become a republic. It means that this is the date when we adopted our constitution. It means this is the date when we adopt our constitution on 26 January 1950. So student, let's do little recapitulation. When we are talking about the national emblem, so what is the symbol? Symbol with lines. 3 you are able to see and 1 is the behind. आप जाके देख सकते हो सारनाथ में. ठीक है, जो फ्रंट पे है वो दिखते हैं और जो बैक पे है वो नहीं दिखाई देता. Is it clear? So this is our national emblem, and where you will find this symbol? You will find this symbol all currency notes. You will find this symbol on all currency notes, coins and papers of the government, and paper of the government. Next, what is the official seal of our country? So this national emblem is the official seal of the government. It is the official seal of the government. From where it was taken? It was taken from the Sarnath lion capital erected by Ashoka. And when this national emblem was adopted, so student, it was adopted on 26 January 1950, the day India became a Republic. Thank you, students.